Ah, yes. We all tend to do it. And it's inevitable, of course. Gravity simply has a way of making our flow ricochet from the porcelain of our toilets, which leads to spraying, dripping, splashing, and of course, toilet crud buildup. But it is what it is. A simple fact of nature, a simple reality of owning a deck. But this only accumulates. A pee spray here, a pee splash there. Eventually there's just pee everywhere. Until finally comes the day when that little voice inside your head says,
"My toilet is fucking nasty."
Well, we developed a tool to combat this. Introducing the PissPad, a highly dense, absorbent, microsuction pad that makes for the perfect Are you Simply peel, place, and stick. Let the PissPad keep the splash from happening, and your toilet cleaner than ever before. Oh, don't forget to flush. The PissPad, by New Normal.